Hello everyone, if you're getting this error when you're trying to play GTA 5, your video card does not meet the system requirements to run the game, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on GTA easily. So this method will work on both the legacy and the enhanced versions of the game. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here DX Diag. You're going to click yes on here. And here you need to make sure that your DirectX version says DirectX 12. So if it doesn't say that, then what you can do is you can open up your web browser. You can search for DirectX. Click onto this link from Microsoft.com. Go ahead and download this software. Once you're done downloading it, install it. And after you're done installing it, restart your computer. And then come here and write run again, write DXDiag. And then it should say 12. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser again. And then you're going to go on to this link. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video. You're going to click on to release here. You're going to click download, open it up. Just copy this d3d12.dll file and extract it into your GTA's directory. So here it is, just extract it right there. I won't extract it because I already have it. And after you're done extracting the file, then you're going to go ahead and play your game. And you'll see that your GTA will work correctly now and you will not get that SYSREQ error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.